Welcome to the IFMR Graduate School of Business undergraduate admissions page at Krea University. In this video, we will guide you through the steps that will help you navigate the landing page and help you start your application process for the 2024 intake of the undergraduate program. For starters, open your preferred web browser and go to the Krea University website www.krea.edu.in. Click on the Apply Now button and choose IFMR GSB's BBA to make your way to the landing page. Take a moment to explore the landing page. You will find essential information about the undergraduate program here, including a detailed brochure, all essential information about admissions to the 5-year integrated BBA plus MBA program, a registration link to connect with the counselors from Krea, and a link to visit our campus. To view the program brochure, click on the Download Brochure tab. This is a detailed document that lists out all the essential information about the UG program at IFMR GSB. Do make sure to go through the document fully to learn everything about our unique undergraduate program. To get more information about the program, the application process, eligibility, selection criteria and curriculum, click on the Know More tab. This will take you to the admissions page where you can access all the information before you get started with your application. We understand that applying for a university can be both challenging and overwhelming. But rest assured, we are here to help you every step of the way. You can register for a session to connect with our university counselors every Wednesday at 5 p.m. through the admissions season. Finally, we would love for you to check out our sprawling, green, sustainable campus at Sri City. Click on the Campus Tour tab to go on a virtual tour or register here to schedule a campus visit. As a first-time applicant, you will need to register with your name, phone number, and email ID. Soon after, you will receive an email for verification. Once verified, you will get access to a user ID and password that will help you log into your application portal. Once logged in, you can start your application. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your personal information, academic history, and other required details. Navigate the portal to complete your application and submit. Once you've submitted your application, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep checking your email regularly for further instructions. Alright then, you've successfully navigated the IFMR GSB undergraduate admissions landing page, and your application for the undergraduate program at Krea University has begun formally. We wish you all the best in your academic journey.